Sir, next program almost similar to previous program only. Sir, I have to send SMS message before starting the new batch. But sometimes what will happen is, in our database, same number multiple times may be entered regarding at the time of inquiry, at the time of demo, at the time of registration, like multiple times same number may be entered. What we have to do? Before sending SMS message, we have to remove the duplicates, and then for unique numbers only we have to send SMS message. Correct order? We have to remove duplicates, and for unique numbers only we have to trigger SMS message. Sir, write a program to remove duplicates, to remove duplicate numbers, sir. Write a program to remove duplicate numbers. How you can do that? Very, very simple, sir. Of course, what we have to do here, observe this one. Sir, my input file is, have you observed? This is my input file, input.txt, 222, 333, 222, 333, 444, 333, 222, 344, 555, 222, 333, 666 is there. Are you getting multiple numbers are there? Now my requirement is, I have to generate output file which contain only unique numbers. I have to generate output file which contain only unique numbers. Sir, read one number. Check whether it is there here or not. If it is not there, write yes, write. Take second number. Compare, is it there or not? Not there, write. Next, take third number. Is it there here or not? There. Oh, duplicate, not required to include. 333, it is there, ignore. 222, it is there, ignore. 444, not there, write. 333, it is there, ignore. 222, not there, ignore. It is there, ignore. 444, there, ignore. 555, not there, write. 222, ignore. 333, ignore because already present. 666, not there, write. Sir, this is a simple program to demonstrate. I mean, this is the logic what we have to follow. Simple, sir. Take one number and compare whether this number is available here or not. If it is available, we are not required to include. If it is not there, then only write that number to the output. Sir, to which file we have to write? Okay, to output. That's why write PW. Open PW. Here just observe this code, sir. Print writer PW is equal to new print writer of PW is equal to new print writer of output dot txt. Okay, output dot txt. Next, buffered reader BR is equal to BR1 is equal to new buffered reader of, I have to read data from input file. That's why buffered reader BR1 is equal to new buffered reader of new file reader of, okay, input dot txt. String line is equal to BR1 dot read line. String line is equal to BR1 dot read line. Sir, I'm getting first line from the input, while line is not equal to null. Sir, if it is not null, write that line to the, if it is not null, compare that, is it already available here or not? Sir, what we have to do? Buffered reader BR2 is equal to new buffered reader of, new file reader of, what is the file, sir? Output dot txt. Buffered reader BR2 is equal to new buffered reader of, new file reader of, output dot txt. String target is equal to br2 dot read line. Sir, I got first line from here. While target is not equal to null. Sir, if it is not null, valid data only, then what I have to do? I have to compare with that this one. Sir, if line dot equals of target. Sir, if this line and this line got matched. If both are matched, what I have to do? Target here line. Sir, now let me take one variable boolean available is equal to false. Boolean available is equal to false, and here both are matched, right? Available is equal to true and a break. You are not required to compare with the remaining lines. That's right. Okay? Yes. If both are not matched, compare with the next number. That's why target is equal to br2 dot read line. Target is equal to br2 dot read line. So this cycle by default will be repeated for every line present in the output.txt, or if anywhere match is there, then I will come out. Sir, whether match is there or not, how you can? Sir, if a match is there, available value is the true. Still available value the false means match is not there, all numbers completed. If available is equal to false. Oh, available value the false. So I compared all numbers but match is not there. Immediately pw.println of line. And then next number we have to compare with the same file. That's why make sure this line properly written to the file pw.flush method also. That's all. Sir, repeat this total operation for the next line. Line is equal to, for the next line from the input file, line is equal to br1 dot read line. That's all, sir. If I can do like this, then obviously the output file contain only only unique numbers without duplicates. Are you getting? Sir, I told at the beginning only. Have you just to get the basic idea, use my explanation. But once you start taking pen and paper and trace, then only you can able to get the logic. But perfectly executable code, not required to worry at all, sir. Let me check that possibility, right? Here I am taking, sir, what is the name of the program I used? Duplicate eliminator.java. Duplicate eliminator. Print writer pw is equal to new print writer of output.txt. Buffered reader br1 is equal to new buffered reader of new file reader of input.txt. String line is equal to br1.readline. While line is not equal to null, boolean available is equal to false. Buffered reader br2 is equal to new buffered reader of output. Now first line from the output file, if it is not null, then I am comparing input and output files. Okay, if there is a match, available is the true break, otherwise go for next line in the output file. Still all numbers completed, still available is the false. Clear indication that number is not there in the output, write that number flush. Repeat this total process for the next line, for every line present in input file. That's all, sir. But let me open my input file. What is the data? Here observe 222, 333, 322, 333, 344, 333, 322, 355. Okay, 322, 333, 344, 355. Okay, 366. Like this I have. Are you getting? Sir, let me run this program, sir. Java C duplicate eliminator dot Java. Next, Java duplicate eliminator. Have you observed? What is the output by default you are going to get? Have you observed? Output dot txt. Yes, 222, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only unique numbers by default will be there. And yes, duplicate numbers by default will be removed, sir. Not only just these. If you observe, sir, here I am taking, just observe this one. Just copy paste and so on I am doing, sir. Then have you observed, right? How many numbers are there? Just have a look. Sir, almost 3108 numbers are there. At last 777 also I am adding. Even the input file contain lakhs of numbers also. The code is the same, sir. Let me run. Let me open output.txt. Here input file contain 3108 numbers, but output file contain is nothing but only 6 numbers, because unique numbers are nothing but how many? 6 numbers are there. Are you getting? But here some people may have some doubt. Sir, at the beginning output file is empty, then how the comparison is going to be happen? Sir, even at the beginning it is empty, but still happily this program is going to work. Let me trace for that. Here just observe, at the beginning output file is empty. Correct, output file is empty. Sir, now print writer, buffer reader, string line, while line is equal to br1 dot read line. Can you tell what is the value of line, sir? 222, first line. It is not equal to null. Correct. Boolean available is equal to false. Sir, what is the value of available? False. Available false. Buffered reader br2 is equal to new buffer reader of output.txt. String target is equal to br2 dot read line. But here, is there in a line? No. That's why target is null. If target is not null, then only this one is going to execute. But a target is null. That's why without executing this one, directly the control is coming. Available is equal to false or not? Yes. Then write that line, okay, to the print writer. Now 222 will be added. Are you getting? Even at the beginning output file is empty, no problem at all. This logic is going to work perfectly. Are you getting, right? But anyway, I'm sure unless and until if you are not practicing, okay, on the system, if you are not practicing with pen and paper, you can't get these examples that much easily. Okay, better to start coding, then obviously you can able to understand. That's all, sir. This is about another example, okay, related to this file IO. So that's all. With this example we are completing the sequence of Java file IO concept. Are you getting? What is file? File writer, file reader, buffer writer, print writer. Next, what are various small examples, small applications we cover. Okay, once you will get basic idea, strong idea, right? Okay, that's all. Thank you, sir.